welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Today we're with the Kawasaki GPZ1100 getting it ready for its first ride. In this video we should be riding it for the first time ever. A couple of things I want to go through and do first before we get started, before we jump on it and take it down the road. We did just get new tires. As you can tell, we got new tires. We put new wheel bearings in, so we have that. We've got we finally got a master link tool to be able to rivet that guy on, right here to rivet that guy on, so we're nice and solid. We've got the chain tension, the rear wheel aligned. We went ahead and did all that. Today we're really going through, there's a couple of things I'm not exactly happy with. I'm not happy with the way the brakes are or aren't in that regard. We have brakes, but you can see there's 3 bleeders on each side of this up here, on each side of the front end. And I just want to go through. We've got brakes, but they're just not the way I'd want them to be. And then I'm going to go through and just check everything as we go forward. I'm going to readjust the clutch to make sure that's solid, and got to go through here. Got to pull this cover off because I realized that I forgot to bend the washer that holds the sprocket bolt on. I forgot to bend up one side, so I've got to pull this off to be able to get to that. That would be something important. So I'm going to go back through and do all that, and then just check everything over really good. Just why? Because I'm the one who put this thing together, right? And I want to make sure that it's good and safe before I jump on the road for the first time. Even though it's in the neighborhood, I just want to make sure it's safe. Now, I wouldn't care so much if it was the Twin Star like I did with that. I wouldn't care quite so much, but there's a bigger risk involved with this thing. I mean, this thing out of what was like 120, 140 horsepower from the factory. So yeah, the throttle's kind of on and off. I want to make sure it stops. So I want to do that. I want to just make sure everything's good and not be in too big of a hurry to say, okay, let me get this thing and let me ride it down the street and not have the brakes to be able to stop it in case something happens. Who knows? What if the clutch fails or whatever? I want to be able to safely come to a stop, not abruptly. Did you guys just see what happened? Did you see what happened? This guy rolled out of the garage all on its own. Did it. We did it. Tomorrow we're going to take it on a really good ride, really shake it out. But this guy, come on. Guys, if you don't remember, if you don't know the story of this Kawasaki GPZ1100, it was left for dead. It should not be doing what it's doing. It should not be doing it, and it is. And we're going to reward it by taking it to Colorado. Holy crap. Dude, this is so awesome. I did make a couple of laps in the neighborhood just to kind of shake it out. Okay guys, first ride on the GPZ. Well, first ride out of the neighborhood, but this thing is awesome. So good. got a new speedo cable, and I don't think it's the correct size. We'll just keep track with the RPMs.